How to post long emails on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To post long emails on Instagram, first prepare your long emails. You need to resize the emails. Simply open Gallery and select any of your emails. Now tap on the Edit button at bottom center of the screen and choose Crop and Rotate. Select crop at bottom right corner, and from here you can easily set an aspect ratio of 4:5 feet for vertical images or 1.91 is to 1 foot horizontal images. The maximum height is above 1350 pixels. So you can use an editing tools like Canva, Photoshop or mobile apps like Snapseed to adjust the dimensions if necessary. Now exit from this section and launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Now you have to tap on the plus icon at bottom center of the screen to create a new post and select the post from the options. You have to choose the long image from your gallery and make sure the image is selected as a single post, not as a part of a carousel. You can adjust the image and after that you can tap the next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you have to add a captions and tags. Now tap on the share button at the bottom center and tap not now. And after that, your post will be easily posted on Instagram. Following this way, you can easily post long emails on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.